Hi guys, today we are going to present you a video on how to find which day is coming on a given date in just 5 seconds by manual calculation. This is a sample calendar 2018, like here 10th of January 2018, Wednesday is the day. We have a simple formula here. This is the formula which says date plus month code. I will let you know how to calculate a month code for a given month and then divide it by 7. The remainder will be the day number, and I will let you know how to see a day number with respect to Monday, Tuesday. We have an example here. If we want to find the day on 15th of Feb 2018, then our formula will work as below. 15 plus 3, 3 is the month code. The sum is 18, and 18 divided by 7, the remainder will be 4. And fourth day of the week is Thursday. So now I will show you 15th of Feb is Thursday. I'll show you the formula once again which we calculated. 15 plus 3 is 18, and 18 divided by 7, remainder is 4. Fourth day is Thursday. I hope you got it. So now I will let you know how to calculate the month code. Like we said, we have to calculate it for February 2018 as an example. Here we have 4 spaces before 1st of Feb, like 0, 1, 2, and 3. So now I will let you know what is the month code. So the simple formula for a month code is there are how many spaces before 1st in the calendar. Like here is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So this means Sunday is 0, Monday is 1, Tuesday is 2, Wednesday 3. These are the number for the days. And for Thursday it will be 4, Friday will be 5, Saturday will be 6. This way goes on. So 3 here is the month code. And now these are the month codes we have shown you. So right now this is the month codes for all the months. You will have to remind it. I hope you like this video. This way you will be able to make out easily for the day comes on given date. So best of luck guys. I hope this video is good for you. Thanks for watching. A like will